Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add one of our Pampas grass overlays and blend it to match a really dark scene, because traditionally you'd apply them over very light, pale boho images. This is equally boho, so let's apply a Pampas grass and get it blended with this image. I'm going to use the actions to apply, but you can just drag and drop. So you're going to want to locate and choose the boho that you want to use. These are included in the white neutral Boho Botanical Overlays. How about we go for scene 3? Now this is going to look really quite bright and out of place when it first comes onto an image like this. But I'm just getting it into position for now. Hitting enter. And I'm going to use the darken down action, or you can apply your own darkening layers. I'm just going to bring this opacity up. And there. I'm going to add one more, I think. How about one of these side ones here? Again, they're going to look very, very bright. But I want to kind of blur these in. So I've added it in. I'm going to add some blur paint. So I've got that foreground blur. And again, just add the darken down in a click. And slide it till you're happy. Awesome. There, before and after. We've added a really funky Boho Pampass Grass frame, like a shoot through. I love it. You can find the other tutorials on the LSP Actions website under the video tutorial library. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.